I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to open your image in Illustrator and embed it. So you should have downloaded your template. This is for the large zine, or you can download the small zine as well from the Google Drive. You'll double click on it and it will automatically open in Illustrator. Now mine's really small right now, so again I can Command plus to zoom in or Command minus to zoom out. My spacebar is going to give me my hand, and I'm still holding my spacebar, and I can move everything around. So I like to work really close when I'm working in Illustrator. So here I have my hand and everything looks pretty good now. Now I need to import my drawing. So you're going to download your first page or whatever page you want to start with from the Google Drive folder. I've already downloaded one. I'm going to use a student example. So I'm going to go to File, Place. I'm going to find my document, and I know it's on my downloads, but yours could be on your desktop, and then I'm going to hit Place again. Now here, the black arrow you'll want selected, and you can move your image around. Okay, so here I'm moving it into place where I think it looks okay. I probably want to get this middle black line lined up with the black line in the background here. So this line is lined up with this. And again, I used my directional arrow keys to get that pretty precise. Now you have to embed the file. So embed is at the top. I'm going to click embed, and I'm going to go ahead and lower my opacity down a little bit. 60% is fine. Then I need to have my layers window open. So I'm going to go to Window, Layers, and it's alphabetical. And I'm going to rename this source file. And you can just double click and rename it. And then I'm going to lock it, which is the lock icon right here next to the I. New layer down here at the bottom. And this is going to be called page 1 and 12. Okay, I'm going to be very specific in my naming. You could even just do page 1 on its own layer and page 12 on its own layer. Now, as you're working, you can check your work by clicking the I next to the source file. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add bounding boxes and to start working with typography.